In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Popup in Dorik. We'll sign in, open your site, add a pop-up, and customize its settings, style, and close button so it matches your brand and behaves the way you want. Start by heading to Dorik's login page. Click Sign In and choose your account. For many people, that's sign in with Google. Use the same account tied to your site so you land on the correct dashboard without any access issues. On the dashboard, open the site you want to work on and select Edit Site. That takes you into the visual editor where all of your design work happens. In the editor, locate the Components panel, then open it and navigate to Pop-ups. Here you'll see the available pop-up components. Browse the options and click the pop-up you want to use to add it to your page. Dorik will place it in your layout, and you can select it directly on the canvas to begin customizing. If the pop-up is collapsed or covered by the overlay, simply click the pop-up area to select it. With the pop-up selected, you'll see a settings panel where you can adjust how it behaves. This is where you control things like when and how it appears, its position on the screen, the size and maximum width, whether the background overlay is enabled and clickable, and the open and close animations. You can also fine-tune visibility on different devices and set behavior such as disabling scroll behind the pop-up to keep attention on the content. Take a moment to preview your choices in the editor so timing and placement feel natural, not intrusive. Next, switch to the style controls for the pop-up. Here you can match it to your brand by updating the background color or image, typography, spacing, padding, borders, and shadows. If your pop-up contains text and buttons, keep the contrast high for readability and make sure spacing is generous so everything remains tappable on mobile. Consistent fonts and color tokens will help the pop-up blend seamlessly with the rest of your site. Finally, configure the close button style. Adjust the icon size, color, background, and placement. Usually the top right corner works well. Add hover or focus states for better feedback, and ensure the button is large enough to tap comfortably on touch devices. A clear, visible close button improves usability and reduces frustration. As you work, keep your design consistent with the rest of your site and avoid overly aggressive display choices. The goal is to inform, not interrupt. That's it, you've logged in, opened your site, added a pop-up, and refined its settings, visual style, and close button to create a polished experience. Thanks for watching and happy building.